Hey everyone, this is the winner's choice of the Rtic Soft Pack Remington Electric Chainsaw Pulse Saw Combo or $100 gift card from Miss Lori. 10 at 13 or 2 for 25. Copy the list. Go live. 10:50. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 5 or higher. 10:50. And we have a 3 that won't work. And we have a 5. 10:50. 10 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4. To the 4th time, we still have 10 items on the list. Jacob is on the top. Nate's on the bottom. Randomized 4 times. The dice call for a 5. 10:51. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 6. Dustin is the winner. Congrats, Dustin. 10 items on the list. 5 times. The dice call for a 5. Your verified code. And we are done at 10:51. Thanks, everyone.